everyone, in this video I want to walk you through the app settings for the Dreame X40 Ultra. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. We have the Dreamehome app downloaded on our phone. It's available for iOS and Android devices. We have the X40 Ultra set up, and this is going to be the main screen you'll be at, where we can quickly see its battery percentage. We can press the play button to have it go clean, or the home button to have it return to home. You'll notice two icons on the side. The first one's going to be live video monitoring. You can select that and get into the live view to drive around your house. We also have a little shortcut button there. And then we can select go to device. And this brings us to a wide range of settings and features to go over. So front and center, we have our cleaning history and battery percentage. We have our map. So we can see a breakout, detail, room by room layout right there. This does support multi-level mapping. We have our map settings on the right-hand side. The first one's going to be map display. Tons of different things you can choose to enable or disable here. Rotate it, change it to a 3D view if you want. So that's our map display settings. Next, we have our map editing. So rename, backup, restore, delete, repartition, and rearrange. You have your floor environment you can change. You can add no-go zones, virtual walls and barriers. You can even add furniture to your layout. You can adjust cleaning sequence, and you can actually set up virtual thresholds and ramps if you want. That's a new feature, which is pretty cool. And then here's multi-floor map management. So some of those settings look familiar. And then we have our additional maps right there, and you can create new maps. Also, map switching method, intelligent recognition, or manual, it's up to you. It is very smart and capable if you want to just have it intelligently do that. Now we're back here. We got the video icon again under the map icons. That's for live video monitoring. So let's go ahead, let's select that. We have to enter our password. Now we're taken into our live video monitoring, where we have a ton of control options here. We can take photos, videos, we can listen in and talk. It does support two-way audio. We can pick and choose our map. We can manually drive it. We can turn the light on or off. And we have a couple different modes depending on what we want to do. We can point to the map, so drop a pin and go, or you can go back in. You can do Super Cruise and choose multiple areas to have it drive automatically and patrol around for you. So live video monitoring is really cool. Love having this feature. Not only as a vacuum and mop, now it's a security device. Back to the main screen here, we have our cleaning options on the left-hand side. Currently we're in custom. So we can have a vacuum and mop, mop after vacuuming, or customize room cleaning. So pick and choose which one you want. Suction power. How wet do you want the floor, or the mops, I should say. Mop washing frequency, we can adjust that. We have two different route options, quick or standard. You can also use Clean Genius if you want. It's going to intelligently recommend cleaning parameters, re-clean dirty rooms and zones. And you can choose vacuum and mop, or mop after vacuuming. And there's a deep clean option you can toggle in right there. Clean Genius is a cool feature if you want to use that. Set it and forget about it. Down at the bottom too, we have room cleaning or zone cleaning options. And we have our clean button and our dock button right there, where we can select it and view more station information. Empty, wash, dry settings, and our dock settings down at the bottom. So that's a quick look at this screen. Now let's select the three dots in the top right-hand corner, where we have more settings and features to go over. First on that list is cleaning history. So we can see our cleaning history and breakdown right here. So let's just select this one really quick. Here's our map where it was able to clean. This is the area where we do our testing, but it gives you a nice detailed option there. Let me go further down. One of these might be our main map. Nope, I stand corrected. There we go. So there's our main map, and it shows you again what area it cleaned. There's the carpets. You get the idea. And what's really cool, when it's cleaning and you're checking on it in the app, it will even, you can opt in to have images taken of different objects around the house that it encounters, and it tells you what it thinks it is. Really cool. We can set this on a schedule if we want. Here's our schedule options. So a lot of different customization options you can do right there. Carpet settings, definitely spend some time here. How do you want it to handle carpet? Do you want it to detach the mops? you want it just to raise the mops up, vacuum and mop, avoid, ignore, clean carpets first, carpet boost, intensive carpet cleaning. There's a lot of great features to dive into. Next, floor cleaning settings. So collision avoidance mode, auto re-cleaning. That's going to be for Clean Genius. Auto detachment and installation of mop pads. Clean along the floor direction. That's cool that you can turn that on if you want to prevent some wear and tear along the seams. Stain recognition, so we can toggle that on or off if you're interested. Pretty cool feature. We definitely want to toggle that on. Next are AI-driven mop extend settings. So you can customize the mop extend and side reach and frequency. Moving right along are dock settings, auto add detergent, water temp, auto wash, auto rewashing, washing mode, dry, drying time, 2, 3, or 4 hours, auto empty. You have different settings there for auto empty. And then clean the washboard base manually. It has some instructions for you how to clean that. Then we have our obstacle avoidance. And there's the picture option if you want to opt into that. Fill light settings, voice and volume, real-time camera options right here. So you can adjust those settings. So if you want to enable or disable that. Then we have more functions. Off-peak charging you can enable if you want, which is pretty cool. Set your time. Child lock, notifications, remote control. We can drive this if we want ourselves. Network information, we can locate the robot. Then we have a breakdown of usage for the filter, the brushes, you get the idea. But when it's time to conduct maintenance, they have you covered. Help section, device info, sharing, firmware, and then lastly, we can delete the device. So that's a look at the Dreamehome app featuring the Dreame X40 Ultra and all the different settings and configuration options that you have available right at your fingertips.